Does changing your logo affect your trademark registration? So I was just reading an article about this minimalist logo trend destroying brands. For the last like decade, there's been a big trend in moving away from or redesigning to take elements away and have a much cleaner, more minimalist logo. As you can see here, this is a great example of some old and new ones, how, Burberry went from there to there. Burger King got rid of like the circle around, it's just the burger. Dorex just really seems more like a color change to me, a little, less there, but Intel got rid of the circle around them. So, as you can see, there was just some changes kind of more to streamline things, make things more simpler. But what happens from a trademark registration perspective is that you will not be able to use, this new Burger King to maintain a registration that's based off of this logo, because you need to use the exact logo. Of course, the literal element Burger King, that's fine. That'll continue to be able to use. But unless Burger King is continuing to use this logo somewhere, and they might be just for the purposes of maintaining that, uh, that's what has to be shown is this exact logo. If they filed the renewal with this logo, it'll be rejected. Similarly, for all these other ones, those changes do matter from a registration perspective. What this article talks about more is that people are not recognizing the brand as much once they take a more minimalist approach, because they lose some of, what people knew of as the brand, the distinctiveness, some of those distinctive features. So, you know, that might even be the bigger consideration rather than the registration is, are customers, potential customers, going to recognize your brand? And that's the whole point of trademarks, is source identification, so someone knows when they're buying something, who they're getting it from, what the quality is. And here, this article is talking about losing some of that distinctiveness, losing some of that value in that trademark that you've built up over the years because of a rebrand. So be very cautious in your rebrands. You also don't want to lose the right to renew it. So if you like these videos, feel free to subscribe below, and thanks for watching.